Hola amigos! Welcome to another exciting Spanish lesson with JCAB Tutoring. Today, I'm going to help you master Spanish articles in just 3 minutes. Sounds impossible? Well, stick with me, and you'll see how simple it can be. Stick around, and you'll see how easy it can be. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident using Spanish articles in your conversations. First, let's talk about definite articles. These are the words we use to refer to specific items. In English, we have the simple, right? It's the go-to word when we want to specify something. But in Spanish, it gets a bit more interesting. Instead of one word, we have 4 different words to choose from. We have 4 definite articles: el, la, los, and las. Each one is used in different situations. Don't worry, I'll break it down for you. It's not as complicated as it sounds. El is used for singular masculine nouns. This means it's used when referring to one male or masculine object. For example, el libro, which means the book. Easy. You can use it for any singular masculine noun. La is for singular feminine nouns, like la casa, meaning the house. This is used for one female or feminine object. Now, let's make things plural. When you have more than one item, the articles change. Los is for plural masculine nouns. This is used when referring to multiple male or masculine objects. So, los libros means the books. Anytime you have more than one masculine noun, you use los. And finally, las is for plural feminine nouns. This is used for multiple female or feminine objects. For instance, las casas means the houses. See? It's all about matching the article to the gender and number of the noun. Understanding articles in Spanish isn't that hard. But wait, there's more. We also need to talk about indefinite articles. We also have indefinite articles just like a and an in English. These are used when we're talking about something non-specific. In Spanish, we use un and una. These are the equivalents of a and an. Un is for singular masculine nouns like un perro, which means a dog. This is used for one non-specific masculine object. Una is for singular feminine nouns like una manzana, meaning an apple. This is used for one non-specific feminine object. For plurals, we use unos and unas, which translate to some in English. These are used for multiple non-specific objects. For example, unos perros means some dogs, and unas manzanas means some apples. It's all about quantity and specificity. Remember, the key is to match the article's gender and number with the noun. This will help you sound more natural when speaking Spanish. Practice makes perfect, so try using these articles in your everyday Spanish conversations. The more you practice, the easier it will become. And there you have it. You've just learned the basics of Spanish articles. In just 3 minutes, you've learned how to use Spanish articles. Keep practicing, and let JCAB Tutoring help with your Spanish learning goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Spanish lessons. Hasta luego, amigos. Keep learning and practicing.